The benefits of pineapple fabric, a sustainable fashion revolution. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of sustainable fashion and exploring the incredible benefits of pineapple fabric, also known as Piñatex. Pineapple fabric is an innovative textile made from the fibers of pineapple leaves, a byproduct of the fruit industry. This eco-friendly material offers a range of benefits that make it a fantastic alternative to traditional fabrics. Here's why pineapple fabric is making waves in the fashion industry. Key benefits of pineapple fabric: sustainable and eco-friendly. Pineapple fabric utilizes agricultural waste, reducing the need for additional resources and minimizing waste. Biodegradable. Unlike synthetic materials, pineapple fabric is biodegradable, meaning it won't contribute to long-term landfill waste. Animal-friendly. Piñatex is a vegan alternative to leather, offering a cruelty-free option for conscious consumers. Durable and versatile. This material is not only strong and durable, but also versatile, suitable for a variety of fashion and interior applications. Lightweight and breathable. Pineapple fabric is lightweight and breathable, making it comfortable for everyday wear. Economic benefits. By using pineapple leaves, farmers can generate additional income from their crops, supporting rural communities. Join us as we explore the production process, the innovative uses of pineapple fabric, and how it's paving the way for a more sustainable future in fashion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on eco-friendly materials and sustainable living.